Diana Gadus, community market leader, digital marketing specialist. I am showing a new construction property here in the Fort Myers area. This is right off of McGregor. Again, brand new construction. It has 2,700 square feet and of living area, and it's over 3,000 square feet of total area. The home sits on over a quarter-acre lot. It is priced at $1,235,000. It is a beautiful home, and I can't wait to show you the rest. Look at this gorgeous landscaping. This house is move-in ready. It has top-of-the-line luxury items, craftsmanship, and eye for detail. Look at this, right? Nice paved driveway.